Hello? You want to hear something about Henry? Born on February the 13th in 1956, Henry's life was marked by a profound dedication to his family, faith, and passions. A loving husband and father, he was blessed with 3 children, one of whom has passed on to be with the Lord. Henry's journey was deeply intertwined with his spiritual devotion, shaping his role not only as a patriarch, but also as a servant of the Lord. Beyond his devotion to family and faith, Henry had a rich and vibrant life, filled with his love for cooking and music. A musician since the age of 7, Henry's first instrument was the saxophone, which sparked a lifelong passion of music. He was a valued member of the Horsepower Band, performing across the Philippines, Japan, and Australia, sharing his musical talents and connecting with the audiences far and wide. Henry also served as the keyboard player and arranger for choirs at several parishes, including St. John in Dabto, Wollongong, Mary Mother of the Church in Macquarie Fields, Our Lady of Mount Carmel in Barrowville, and most recently at Holy Family Parish, Ingleburn. His musical contributions enriched the worship experience and brought joy to many in the church community. Throughout his life, Henry exemplified the qualities of a devoted family man. His love for his wife, questionable, and children was unwavering, and his commitment to their well-being was evident in every aspect of his daily life, especially in cooking. Despite the sorrow of losing a child, Henry's faith remained a guiding light, providing strength and hope through challenging times. His dedication extended beyond his family to his service in the church and community. Living in deep faith, Henry embraced his role as a servant of the Lord with humility and passion. His spiritual life was the foundation from which he drew purpose and resilience, inspiring those around him to live with similar conviction and love. Henry's legacy is one of steadfast faith, creativity, and sacrifice. His story reminds us of the enduring power of belief, the joy of pursuing one's passions, and the importance of family bonds. As we reflect on his life, we see a testament to what it means to live fully and faithfully, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of those who knew him. That is Henry. Happy birthday. More years ahead.